welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I built a simple yet powerful automation using n8n that sends a fresh motivation quote to your inbox every single day. Let's get started. So this workflow runs automatically at a specific time every day. Here we have the schedule trigger. It fetches a random motivational quote from an API, formats it into a clear HTML email, and then sends it using Gmail. It's a great beginner friendly automation that shows how easy it is to combine scheduling, API, and email sending in n8n. So here is full workflow. It consists of three nodes: schedule trigger, the HTTP request, Gmail sends email. So let us walk through each one of them. First, let's talk about the schedule trigger. So in case of the schedule trigger, it is the first node that we have used. It's set to run every day at 2 p.m. You can easily change the time to any other time that you prefer from this drop down. Here are other time frames that are available. Even you can set it to midnight or 2 a.m. any time that you prefer. Then let's come to the next part. Here we have the HTTP request. So in HTTP request node, we fetch a code. The API I am using is http api.quotable.io.random. It generates a random code and names the author and returns it in a JSON format as shown here. The ID, the content, the author, and the tags. If you want to use the tags, you can use the tags also. The next part that comes is sending the email. Remember that in the HTTP request, we are creating a GET request to get the code. In the email, it is the last node. This node sends out an HTTP email consisting the code. So the HTML template is here. We have this as the input. That is the code that is returned through HTTP request. Here it is JSON.content in this particular format that is used to access the content of this code. Here you can see this JSON.content inserts the code here and the author's name here. And then comes the final output, that is the email being sent. Let me demonstrate it to you. So here we'll see the schedule trigger. It has been just triggered at this particular moment, 1st of December, 8:46 a.m. Now then we have the HTTP request where the content of the quote is: science and technology revolutionize our lives, but memory, tradition and myths frame our response. And the author name is given, the tag is given, and then the other details are given. So the input that we have here is the JSON. This JSON. Now it is formatting the code as per our HTML and sending it. So the Gmail account that I have linked with n8n is the one that is going to send the email, and here we can add other emails by using a comma. This is basically the receiver's email, and the subject of the email can be written. So let me show you my inbox. Here it is new, and this message has been received at 8:46, exactly the time that we have shown, and this is properly formatted as per our HTML. So that is it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this automation or want more n8n projects like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.